What if we told you that Rolex isn't just a luxury watch? It's a symbol of innovation, secrecy, and unmatched durability. From a secret steel that only Rolex uses, to watches being buried underground during wartime, these facts will blow your mind. But that's not all. A Rolex even survived the deepest part of the ocean and remains a tool of espionage. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of Rolex and discover the untold truths behind this legendary brand? Don't miss out. This is a story you can't afford to skip. Number 10. Rolex has its own foundry. Rolex is not just about precision timekeeping, it's about control and perfection from the ground up. Unlike most luxury watchmakers who rely on external suppliers, Rolex has its own foundry. This means they craft their own alloys, including the famous 18 Evaros gold, known for its unique pinkish hue. By controlling the production of the materials, Rolex ensures their watches are crafted from the highest quality gold available, no compromises. This level of craftsmanship is a testament to their dedication to excellence. Number 9. Rolex uses a secret steel, 904L. This steel is more expensive than gold, and Rolex owns it. Rolex is known for using 904L steel, a material that's far superior to the standard 316 liters steel most other luxury brands use. 904L steel is incredibly corrosion resistant and maintains a brilliant shine, even in harsh conditions. However, what makes it even more exclusive is its difficulty to machine, making it costly to work with. This is why almost no one else uses it, but Rolex's dedication to quality pushes them to utilize it in their watches. Number 8. Rolex watches were used in espionage. James Bond wasn't the only spy with a Rolex. During the Cold War, Rolex Submariners and GMT Masters became the choice of real-life CIA operatives. Why? These watches were not just about style. They were known for their unmatched accuracy and durability in extreme conditions. But there was more to it. Their sleek, low-profile design made them perfect for espionage, helping spies maintain a discreet appearance while still relying on a tool of precision. It wasn't just a watch, it was a secret weapon. Number 7. The bezel on a Rolex Submariner only turns one way. Why does this watch refuse to go backward? It's not just a quirky design choice, it's a crucial safety feature. The Rolex Submariner, renowned for its dive capabilities, comes equipped with a unidirectional rotating bezel, meaning it only turns in one direction. Why does this matter? The answer is simple: safety. For divers, this feature is life-saving. The bezel is used to track how much time has passed underwater. If it could rotate both ways, a diver could accidentally turn it in the wrong direction, potentially indicating more time underwater than they've actually spent. This could lead to dangerous situations, as it might cause divers to run out of air before they surface. By ensuring the bezel only turns one way, Rolex eliminates that risk, providing divers with an extra layer of protection. It's a perfect example of how Rolex designs not just for luxury, but for practical, life-saving functionality as well. Number 6. Rolex Oyster Case was the first waterproof watch case. Rolex made the world's first waterproof watch with oysters. In 1926, Rolex revolutionized the watchmaking industry with the introduction of the Oyster Case, the world's first truly waterproof wristwatch. The name Oyster wasn't just a clever branding move, it was inspired by the way an oyster remains sealed tightly underwater, protecting its contents from the elements. The Oyster Case was a groundbreaking design, featuring a screw-down case back, bezel, and a tightly sealed crystal, making it nearly impervious to water. This innovation was a game-changer, allowing watch enthusiasts and professionals alike to wear their Rolex watches in situations previously thought impossible, whether they were diving into the ocean or simply caught in a rainstorm. The waterproof feature quickly became a hallmark of the brand, and to this day, the Oyster Case remains one of Rolex's most iconic and essential inventions. It's incredible to think how a simple idea inspired by nature changed the way watches are designed forever. Number 5. Rolex has been to the deepest part of the ocean. This Rolex went deeper than any human ever has. In 1960, a Rolex Deep Sea Special made history by reaching the bottom of the Mariana Trench, nearly 11,000 meters below the surface. This wasn't just a test, it was a monumental feat in the world of exploration. Jacques Piccard, a pioneering oceanographer, took the Rolex along on his record-breaking descent in the Bathyscaphe Trieste. Despite the immense pressure and extreme depths, the Rolex survived the entire journey, emerging from the deepest point on Earth still ticking, perfectly functional. This incredible achievement proved the unmatched durability and water resistance of Rolex's engineering. The Deep Sea Special wasn't just a luxury timepiece, it was a testament to the brand's commitment to precision, strength, and pushing the boundaries of what a watch could endure. It's remarkable to think that a Rolex has ventured farther into the ocean than any human, proving that these watches are more than just a symbol of wealth. They are tools that stand the test of time, even in the most extreme conditions. Number 4. There are Rolexes buried underground. Would you dig through dirt for a Rolex? During times of war or economic crisis, some Rolex owners took extreme measures to protect their prized possessions. In an effort to safeguard their watches, they buried them deep underground, fearing looting or theft. The practice became a hidden part of Rolex history, as these collectors believed that burying their watches was the safest way to preserve their value. Some of these buried treasures still remain hidden, waiting to be discovered. In recent years, watches once thought to be lost forever have been unearthed during estate sales, land renovations, or construction projects, proving that some Rolexes really do have a secret past buried beneath the surface. Number 3. Every Rolex is still assembled by hand. Think Rolex is all machines. Think again. Despite its reputation as a high-tech, precision-driven luxury brand, every single Rolex watch is meticulously assembled by hand. From the intricate movement to the fine finishing on the case and bracelet, skilled artisans and technicians work tirelessly to ensure each piece meets Rolex's exacting standards. These experts undergo years of specialized training to perfect their craft, ensuring that every component is carefully inspected, tested, and put together with the utmost precision. While modern technology plays a role in production, the human touch remains an essential part of what makes each Rolex a masterpiece of craftsmanship. This level of detail and personal dedication is what sets Rolex apart as not just a watch, but a work of art. Number 2. Rolex don't sell online. And never has. You can't buy a new Rolex online. Here's why. Rolex has never sold its watches directly online, and they have no plans to start. The brand tightly controls its distribution channels, ensuring that each piece is only available through authorized dealers. This strategy is part of Rolex's commitment to preserving its exclusivity and maintaining its high level of prestige. By avoiding online sales, Rolex ensures that customers have a personalized buying experience with expert guidance in-store. This also adds an element of scarcity to the brand, creating a sense of mystique and demand that has only fueled its desirability. So if you're dreaming of a new Rolex, be prepared to visit an authorized retailer in person. Number 1. Rolex took over a decade to develop the Daytona movement. Rolex's Daytona movement, the caliber 4130, is one of the most revered in the watchmaking world. But did you know it took over a decade to develop? This in-house chronograph movement is renowned for its accuracy and reliability, which makes it the choice for racing professionals. Rolex's commitment to perfecting this movement demonstrates their dedication to precision. What's more, the caliber 4130 was designed to be more efficient, requiring fewer components than its predecessors. It's a true testament to Rolex's pursuit of excellence. You've just scratched the surface of the incredible world of Rolex. From its handmade perfection to its secret past, this brand is more than just a watch. It's a masterpiece of engineering. But stay tuned, because next we're diving into an even bigger battle, Vacheron Constantin's Patek Philippe, who truly reigns as the king of luxury watches. You won't want to miss this ultimate prestige showdown. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the luxury war of the century.